And right here, see, I'm pressing it and it feels kind of weird. Hi there! In this video, we'll be checking the hydraulic lifters on a 1990s Audi with a 2.6-liter gasoline engine. We're going to open up the engine and see what condition the lifters are in. Alright, now we're lifting the valve cover to inspect the lifters. Here's what the inside of the valve cover looks like. Yeah, as you can see, everything is covered in sludge. We'll also remove this oil separator to get better access to the hydraulic lifters. And here they are. The lifters are now visible. We're going to test them without removing the camshaft. How can you test hydraulic lifters or hydraulic tappets like we have here? You look for a lifter where the camshaft lobe isn't pressing down. Like this one, see? The lobe is lifted away. Now press down on the lifter. If it's a little empty inside, there'll be some movement. If it's not holding oil pressure, it will compress slightly. But here, look, I'm pressing down and it's solid. We check each one the same way. I'm pressing this one too. No movement at all, not even a millimeter. So from what I can tell, the lifters on this cylinder head are at least in good shape. Now we can't test some of the lifters yet because the cam lobe is pressing on them. We'll need to rotate the camshaft a little to relieve the pressure before testing those. That was just the initial inspection. Now, for a more accurate check, we'll remove the camshaft and test the lifters without any load on them. That way we can see which ones are good and which ones might be bad. Let's go ahead and remove the camshaft and continue checking the lifters. Now that the camshaft is out, we've got full access to the tappets. We'll press down on them the same way. See this? I'm pressing and there's no movement. That means the lifter is good. It's full of oil and holding pressure. We go through and test each one. In the end, all the lifters on this side are in great condition. Here's what a lifter looks like. You can even see the oil passage hole on the side. All the lifters on this head are in excellent condition. Now, let's move to the other side and check those. We've moved to the second cylinder head. Same process. We removed the camshaft and are pressing down on each lifter one by one. They're all solid, no free play, except for the last one here. You can see there's some movement. That likely means it's not holding oil pressure and will need to be replaced. For comparison, the lifter next to it is rock solid. And here, look, I'm pressing this one and it moves just a little. So that would create a gap between the camshaft lobe and the lifter. And when the engine is running, it'll make a ticking noise. So we'll either try to bleed it or replace it with a new one. That's how you check hydraulic lifters in cars. Just press them and see if there's any play. That's it for now. See you in the next video.